How to add add-on domain on cPanel. This is a step-by-step video so you can go ahead and follow easily. Now, you want to head over to your cPanel right here, and inside you can just go ahead and navigate through the domain section. Inside domains, you then want to click on the domain setting, and once inside domains, we can just go ahead and click on this button called create a new domain. Now the only thing left to do now is to go ahead and put your domain right here, and right after clicking on submit, it will then be added as an add-on domain on cPanel. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.